Hi, good day. Welcome to Eli's Academy. I'm Eric Taylor, and this is your online self-learning channels. Today we will look into differentiate a fraction type of function. The fraction means there is two elements. One is called numerators and another is denominators. The numerators will be on top here and denominator will be on right bottom here. So this is what we call a fractions function. The fraction function usually will be denoted by any alphabets, any value, any functions like fx, gx, hx, y, and so on, and followed by the independent variables. Okay, take a look at this example. This is one of the fraction function, and we will see how do we need to differentiate this type of function. Before we attempt this, first you will need to know the quotient rules. Quotient rules is applicable when you face this type of problems. So first, the quotient rules will be in this form: y equal to u over v. This is a type of fractions. In order to differentiate this function, that you need to adopt the quotient rules, which means dy over dx equivalent to v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v squared. So this is your quotient rules formula. In order to differentiate the first order derivative of this function, it as follows: y equal to 4x minus 1 over minus x minus 10. And as we know, the right top there, let initial this u and initialize this as v. So therefore, we're using the same approach. You plug those values into the formula. Say u is 4x minus 1, and you gotta find the first order derivative function. Du over dx will be, if you differentiate the 4x, you get 4, and if you differentiate that 1, you get a 0 because it's constant. And v, as we know, is minus x minus 10, and you differentiate that v respect to x, you will get minus 1, and minus 10 you will get 0. So once we just find out this, and now we need to plug into these formulas. So dy over dx equal to v, as we know, is minus x minus 10. So you just plug here, minus x minus 10, put a bracket, and then du over dx, as we know, du over dx is 4. Just substitute, minus, now it's u, and we know the u is 4x minus 1, and dv over dx, as we know, is minus 1. Alright, over, we know the v squared, so v squared, we just substitute the value, so minus x minus 10. You don't have to expand it, just leave it as it is. Now we can expand this function. We got a 4 times 4x, and then 4 times minus 10, you got a 40, and then minus 1 times 4x is then minus, you get a positive, so 4x, and you get a minus times minus 1, and you get a positive 1 and times with minus 1, so you get a minus 1. So over, we got a, just copy that. So now we continue here. So now you can simplify this function. So as we know, the 4x minus 4x cancel with us with 4x, and the remainder will be minus 40 and minus 1. So now you can rewrite this function by dy over dx equal to minus 40 and minus 1. You get a minus 41 over minus x minus 10 all squared. So this is your final answer. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos, and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you. Have a nice day.